How to change language on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on Snapchat easily. So first thing you have to do, just go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go here in the top corner, click on your avatar. Now go here in the settings and scroll down until you find language option. Click on language. Now here choose the language that you want. There is many languages and it will be updated easily. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.